I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
Shut up, clock in and load up.
E aí galera, beleza? Seja muito bem-vindo ao nosso canal Headshot. E no vídeo de hoje participaremos de uma operação realizada no Ghost Hotel em Atibaia. O jogo contará com uma fronteira onde se encontra droga, petróleo e dinheiro. Qualquer um passível de ser comprado e qualquer coisa é motivo para desencadear um tiroteio. A fronteira americana com o México é o centro dessa operação. De um lado o Departamento de Segurança da Fronteira e do outro o cartel Juarez. No meio disso temos uma empresa petrolífera com seus seguranças da Eagle. Os objetivos de cada entidade se convergem em sua maioria, e uma sensação de haver infiltrados ou informantes de qualquer lado é uma preocupação ainda mais latente. As regras do game são da modalidade SAR, então não se assuste caso algum operador seja alvejado em certas partes do corpo e não acuse sua morte, pois o tiro fatal é somente na cabeça ou no tronco. Então, se você gostar desse vídeo, deixe seu like, seu comentário e se inscreva no canal. Tamo junto e bora pro game.
Achei lá? Não, mas daí eu não consigo ver. Não, onde estão? Deixa eu ver.
Headshot.
Peguei.
Peguei mais um. Tem um atrás. Atrás da bandeira, né? Atrás da bandeira. Fica marcando atrás da bandeira. Ó. Tem dois aqui. Aqui atrás.
Headshot.
You can conversate to that tone. I got up and let it on, yeah. So I'm never alone, yeah. All these people trying to buy
Headshot.
whether it's on, yeah. Now they ask where I'm at. Making hits that line back. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back. I'm zoned in like defense. My life gone no recess, but I live my best one, so I got no regrets. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't give me up, cause I'm back in my zone now.
Headshot.
Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Headshot.
Yeah, they tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. Gotta keep it a bucks in my face. Taking that gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, what I'm say by his grace. God is to shoot on the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus case. They sipping only 9 safe. I can do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes. This flow is so heavenly. Most of my friends and frenemies. They tryna bring out the beast. I'm batting 1,000, my game is elite. I'm running around in the streets and tryna catch up, but they still can't compete. I thought they got in my sleep. He told me keep going, then she gotta leave. Count it up, all the brodies came through, then we added up. They was asking me questions, I had it up. I've been running with God, I just leveled up. They won't speak to my face, got that antidote. They been putting me on like I'm one of those. I can see what they hate, that just ain't me. Tell me a place that I can't go. I don't think they get it, they don't understand. I'ma do it for my homies and my fans. They don't see the vision, they just see the band. Eyes in the money like a rubber band. Tell me when I fall, it's the man. You can try it, you can get it, chill. They tryna hit me, I'm running the race.
Nossa!
They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a bucks in my face. Taking that gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, what I'm say by his grace. God is to shoot on the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the opposite case. Sipping on the lace. I can do it on my own. They judging me off my mistakes.
Silver step into the plate, bet I'ma hit it. What I'm doing in this game, I did in a scrimmage. Rappers wanting all this beef and burning up bridges. Deep down they dinner with pain, they just wanna admit it. Won't stop till I get it. Speed it up when I'm winning. It's silver and under fun, period, no sin.
Peguei o sniper dele. Peguei o sniper dele. Peguei.
Children happy generation with them, I pass the baton on my kids. Had to make sacrifices for this. I can fake, had to cut off some friends. Vision late ever since the beginning. Go get the bad, then bring it in. Every L was a lesson you did. Had a nest, had to handle the biz. I bought a whatchamacallit, and it's chilling right over the fridge.
They tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a bucks in my face. Taking me in that space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, what I'm say by his grace. God is to shoot on the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus case. They sipping only 9 saves. I can do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes.
Someone at the door, drawn out, hit a stain. Tell me who the fuck come face me. Just more break lane, that screen time. Been cutting back on the daily usage. Long road for the road dogs, for the weird miles from the soapbox. Got BKTs on this bitch, so everybody getting rolled on, yeah. Yeah, everybody getting rolled on. Check artist credits on BMI. I'm just too kind to expose y'all. And I see a team with a gold sign. And question if y'all ever wrote songs. All enemies, I'm on a band study. Please don't test me, I'ma know it all. Got platinum songs in the vault collecting dust. And we talk about showing up. Things I'm a tennis up. Both feet on the gas pedal, bitch, I ain't letting up. Started singing, they fell in love. Came a long way from being talentless. Beat anything, I was challenged in. Pressure turned me into a precious cut. Floodlights to the flooded chain. 30 city tour in a ton of states. I came away, tell her up the leaves from the minors in my art come of age. Seen a lot of people playing seeds to the dream, growing patient and run away. I cultivated, irrigated it, now the growth amazing, I love the change, oh yeah. Been laughed at before, been little bro, not the same one, same pass, me the torch. I ain't passing y'all shit. Border skate, California nicest place when I'm passing y'all in. Bang bang to the gym, bang bang, let's come to it, then shit can get spicy. Ain't shit sweet cause the light skin, I don't take shit lightly. Perfect tan if you like it, but can't entertain the psyche. No time for a baby, too busy getting hype. Too full time jobs, when the fuck is he rest? Never when you want tan, teed up like cuddling on my friends. I'm in the shit to the game, I'm getting more.
Vai passar 3 operadoras. Você vê que tá passando mais de 3, pode abater.
Tá.
3 operadoras vão passar aqui? Nossa aqui, pela janela e vai correr pra baixo.
Certo.
Tá bom? Quem tá pra frente aqui?
I'm in the cut with the gang, damn, y'all can't stop the bleeding. The premonitions brought it on to life for me 4 years before seeing it. Stopped asking that and let it be, cause it all happens for a reason. Someone at the door, John, now I'm here to stay. Tell me who the fuck gonna face the music. More brick lane, less screen time. Been cutting back on the daily. Long road for the road dogs, with the weird miles from the soul box. Got BKTs on this bitch, so everybody getting rolled on, yeah. Checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message, homie, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so, they like my family, so they gon' pretend that they get to their best with your motherfucking chest. I'm getting gutter, my flowing like butter, my checking them bank. They see the number, all of my haters feel one of two ways. Really upset or they show some respect. I can't even think about it, I've been up, so read about it. No beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it. We'll never see it when I kick my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up. We go pitching and I'm on a pee up. I had to re-up on a reel, so you stand the meter and put it back into the week, cause I don't really need it. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message, homie, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I had to put all their egos in check. You're not entitled to anything else. I get 10 years of this under my belt. Your art is an art, they don't feel it, and nobody hears it, and it should just stay on the shelf. Your ego done got in the way, it gotta die today. It gotta go. You should be happy I lighten the load. The weight of your arrogance, heavy as stone. I make an appearance, they already know. That chip on your shoulder gon' crumble and fold, yeah. It's not a secret that you have been fearing the shit that I'm on. So you back to the brag and the boast. But I'm in a class of my own. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message, homie, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.
Headshot.
I'm in the big leagues, told them don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, hey, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it too quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort, this piss poor. I got too much, I gotta
Headshot.
Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money stabbing, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean up, black whip, got old problems with friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, hey, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, I told him I'ma hit it out the stands. I deserve deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told them this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put a check up in my hands. Still got time to chat. Made a few friends, but they all in the rest. Had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in black. Shawty wanna ride till I hop in the back. 0 to 100, seen a rap on the dash. They ain't catching up, dog, I'm moving too fast.
Headshot.
Told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bro. Send it through quickly. I'm making hits, dog, like I'm in a big league.
Hours in a day, what the fuck you gonna say? Pick a lane, man, you gotta choose one. That's what they used to tell me every day. Caught a few along the way, don't be afraid if you gotta lose one. I'm trying to take it higher, the boy is on fire. He preaching to the choir, you know that. Never been a liar, the boy is on fire. I'll take it to the wire, you know that. Reach back, had to grab me a hit. I'm on the clock, game time, it's like a draft in a pit. Like a genie, every branch of a wish. So drunk, I just might smoke something if they pass me the shit. I gotta slow down. Plenty of it here to make it go around. They was going slow and so
Headshot. Double kill.
of course I hold it down. Of course I hold it down. All I ever knew, this ain't no news. If you know Jerry, that's the way I am. Shut the door on me like when you signing out at AIM. I come back just to fuck them up. I promise I ain't playing, man. I do what I want and I'm the only one that say I can. I get what I desire. Pull up front door like I'm the driver. Wearing all black attire. So right now, fuck what you desire. 24 hours in a day, what the fuck you gonna say? Pick a lane, man, you gotta choose one. It's what they used to tell me every day. Caught a few along the way, don't be afraid if you gotta lose one. I'm trying to take it higher, the boy is on fire. He preaching to the choir, you know that. Never been a liar, the boy is on fire. I'll take it to the wire.
Vai subir ninguém!